Hey everybody, in this tutorial I want to show you how to create like a heart monitoring system if you're doing some embedded C programming. And first, it's basically pretty simple to do, but it's very important that we need to check the beats per minute. So first you just want to create like a little main function right here. We're going to create a process sensory data. At the end of this, we're going to say status patient is extremely stable, just something like that. And when you come up here, we're just going to create this function up here. This is just for this example, you can call this whatever you want, but let's processing incoming data, right? And you have a beats per minute, and these are the values from the patient, right? So you have like 72, 190, 29, 81, 25, 67, 69, 77, 70, 95. Let's say that you have some values like this, right, that you need to process. Well, we can get the size of this by doing size of BMPs right here, and we can divide this by BMPs. Then a little trick, I'm sure everybody knows about that, right? But this is where the magic happens. So down here, so this is how you successfully process the data. So we could do a little loop right here, right, like this, and then we do less than the size. It's just a simple for loop, right? All right, guys, so if you really need to protect a patient, so we have like an int BMP. This is going to be our value, and our beats per minute is going to be I, just like this. And if we do, like, let's say the value is less than 30, then we could just set this BMP to like an average, or not an average, but a more appropriate value for the patient. So we can just set their BMP to like 72. And then let's say if their value is greater than 170, excuse me, I keep burping. Okay, so let's say if their BMP is greater than 170, we can set their value to 80. And if we come down here, we could do printf heart rate BMP, just like that, and we can print out their heart rate. And then right down here we can handle the errors, so we can do handle beeps and errors below. So make sure that you add like the error code and like the beeps and like the notifications below this code. So you just want to save this. Oh, I forgot the S right there, my bad, guys. Okay, so save that. Okay, so let's run this, and then boom, we got it. Extremely stable. Let's try it again. So now your patients will live. This is a quick little trick. Just wanted to make this video. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you guys found this useful. Have a good day.